Hey Candice, I really enjoyed your video. You did a great job. There was a few things I wanted to talk about. I really liked that you talked about oil spills. That's what my entire research topic has been on. So I've done a lot of research on that. And yeah, they're pretty bad when they happen. They don't happen often, but when they do, they cause a lot of damage. A lot of damage. That'd take a long time to clean up. I wanted to talk about the nutrients that cause the algae blooms. It's interesting you brought that up because last year was the first year that I've actually witnessed an algae bloom. I've never seen one before. My daughter and I went swimming in the Gulf of Mexico last year during an algae bloom, and they were pretty gross. I was kind of disgusted. So yeah, that's definitely something that was quite interesting to see. I wanted to talk about Mount Everest. I was really shocked to see just how much trash was at the top of the Mount Everest because not many people go there, right? I'm pretty sure, that's the highest point on Earth, and I just can't imagine that such few people could leave that much trash. So if you think about how few people leave that much trash, just think about the rest of the planet in general and these big cities and how much trash could be in these big cities. I also want to talk about the Mississippi River causing dead zones. I almost did my research topic on that because that's something that I don't know a lot about, but I would like to know a lot more. I was kind of shocked to find out that that was the cause of the dead zones, was how much pollution came out of the Mississippi River. If you think about it, the Mississippi runs from the very top of the United States all the way to the bottom, so think about how many states that runs through, how many people have an effect on how much trash ends up in the Mississippi River. So yeah, that's a big deal. It's definitely something I'd like to learn a lot more about. I think you did a great job. Thank you. I really appreciate your video.